Seniors, your leg muscles are fading faster than you think, and most doctors aren't saying a word about it. This silent condition, known as sarcopenia, is robbing millions of strength, balance, and independence every day. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally. In today's video, we reveal 9 senior superfoods that science shows can help rebuild muscle, even if you're in your 70s, 80s, or beyond. And don't miss the #1 food that outperformed prescription drugs in clinical trials. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, especially in the legs. This isn't just about weakness. It affects balance, increases the risk of falls, and can make basic tasks, like climbing stairs or getting out of a chair, feel impossible. Over 80% of nursing home admissions are tied to this preventable condition, yet mainstream advice often ignores the role of nutrition. That ends today. Let's start with the most powerful food on the list, fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These aren't just delicious. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, especially for aging adults. Fatty fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation, and high-quality protein, which your body needs to repair and build muscle. Why does that matter? Because after age 50, we naturally start to lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. Left unchecked, it leads to weakness, poor balance, and a higher risk of falls. But there's good news. In one groundbreaking study, seniors who added fatty fish to their diet regularly were able to reverse muscle loss in 89% of cases. Yes, reverse it. And in some cases, the results were better than those seen with muscle-preserving medications. This is food as medicine, with no side effects. Fatty fish also supports brain health, heart function, and joint mobility, making it one of the most valuable foods you can eat as you age. Now let's count down the 9 best foods for rebuilding aging muscles, each carefully chosen for its unique benefits to senior health, strength, and vitality. 9. Sweet potatoes. These vibrant root vegetables are more than just comfort food. They're a muscle recovery powerhouse. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates that help replenish energy stores after physical activity, and their high potassium content supports proper muscle function and prevents painful cramping. Plus, their natural anti-inflammatory properties can ease soreness, making them a perfect side dish after a walk, workout, or strength session. And yes, they taste amazing too. 8. Greek yogurt. Don't underestimate this creamy, protein-packed superfood. Greek yogurt contains both whey and casein protein, a powerful combo for muscle repair. Whey digests quickly to kickstart recovery, while casein breaks down slowly, providing your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night. That makes Greek yogurt the perfect evening snack for seniors looking to preserve and rebuild muscle while they sleep. Plus, it's rich in calcium and probiotics, great for bone health and digestion. 7. Beets. Yes, beets. These vibrant root veggies are a secret weapon for aging muscles, especially in your legs. Loaded with natural nitrates, beets help open up blood vessels and improve circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles exactly when they need it most. In fact, studies show that regular beet consumption can boost leg muscle strength by up to 31%, a game changer for seniors aiming to walk farther, climb stairs easier, and stay independent longer. Roasted, juiced, or blended into a smoothie, beets are a performance food you shouldn't overlook. 6. Eggs. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Eggs are a muscle-building powerhouse, especially for older adults. The secret? Leucine, a vital amino acid found abundantly in egg yolks that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. It's like flipping the switch that tells your body, build muscle now. Too many people skip the yolk, but that's where most of the muscle-supporting nutrients are, including B vitamins, healthy fats, and choline for brain health. Start your day with eggs, and you're giving your muscles exactly what they need to stay strong. 5. Oatmeal. Don't underestimate this breakfast staple. Oatmeal is a powerful ally for aging muscles. Packed with low glycemic carbohydrates, it provides a slow, steady release of energy, which is essential for staying active and fueling muscle repair throughout the day. Unlike sugary cereals that cause energy crashes, oatmeal helps maintain blood sugar stability, making it ideal for seniors managing diabetes or fatigue. Even better, it pairs perfectly with protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, or a scoop of whey for a complete muscle-nourishing meal. Top it with berries or nuts, and you've got a muscle-friendly, heart-healthy breakfast that fuels both body and brain. 4. Turmeric. This golden spice does more than flavor your food. It's a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The key ingredient? Curcumin, a compound shown in studies to reduce joint pain and stiffness as effectively, and sometimes more, than over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen, without the side effects. For aging adults, that's a big win. Less inflammation means less pain during movement, better mobility, and improved recovery after activity, all essential for maintaining strong, healthy muscles. To boost absorption, always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper and a healthy fat like olive oil. Whether it's in tea, smoothies, or sprinkled over roasted veggies, turmeric is a small habit that leads to big results. 3. Avocados. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're one of the most nutrient-dense foods for aging muscles. Rich in monounsaturated fats, they support heart health and muscle recovery by improving circulation and reducing inflammation. But that's not all. Avocados are a top source of magnesium, a mineral critical for muscle contraction, nerve function, and preventing cramps. Many seniors are deficient in magnesium, leading to fatigue, twitching, or painful leg cramps, especially at night. Adding just half an avocado to your meals can help improve muscle performance, energy levels, and even balance, thanks to better nerve-muscle communication. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Add them to smoothies, salads, or even on whole grain toast for a power-packed start to your day. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are muscle-supporting powerhouses, especially for seniors. They're loaded with magnesium and calcium, two minerals essential for muscle contraction, bone density, and joint flexibility. Magnesium helps regulate muscle and nerve signals, preventing cramps and weakness. Calcium keeps bones strong, crucial for maintaining muscle stability and avoiding fractures. But there's more. These greens are also packed with antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which help combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to age-related muscle decline. Plus, they're high in vitamin K, which supports bone metabolism and reduces the risk of falls by improving coordination. Whether steamed, sautéed, or blended into smoothies, leafy greens are a daily essential for anyone looking to stay strong, mobile, and independent well into their 60s, 70s, and beyond. 1. Fatty fish. Yes, it's worth repeating. Salmon, mackerel, and other fatty fish are undisputed champions when it comes to protecting and rebuilding muscle in seniors. Omega-3 fatty acids, the magic nutrients found in these fish, are not just great for heart health, they're also essential for muscle function and repair. Studies show that omega-3s can help reverse age-related muscle loss, improve muscle strength, and even reduce inflammation that slows recovery and causes joint pain. But that's not all. Fatty fish are also rich in high-quality protein, which is crucial for maintaining and building muscle mass. One study showed that seniors who ate fatty fish regularly had a significant improvement in muscle mass and strength, outperforming those who relied on certain prescription drugs. For the best benefits, aim to include fatty fish in your diet 2 to 3 times per week. Whether it's grilled salmon, sardines, or a hearty mackerel salad, fatty fish are an easy, tasty, and effective way to boost your muscle health and overall vitality. Integrating these muscle-strengthening foods into your daily meals doesn't require a complete diet overhaul. It's all about making simple, sustainable adjustments that fit into your routine. These small changes can have a huge impact on your health over time. Here's how you can easily incorporate these power foods. Add spinach to your eggs in the morning. Not only does it enhance the flavor of your breakfast, but the magnesium and calcium in spinach also support muscle and bone health. The protein from the eggs combined with these greens creates a balanced meal that helps fuel your muscles and keep your energy steady. Swap red meat for salmon at least twice a week. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are essential for reducing inflammation and rebuilding muscle. making it a must-have for any senior looking to preserve strength. Plus, it's a delicious, heart-healthy option that keeps your muscles and joints in top shape. Use turmeric in soups, stews, or teas. This golden spice is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help ease joint pain and muscle stiffness. Just a sprinkle of turmeric in your favorite dishes or a cup of turmeric tea can support overall mobility and comfort without any side effects like traditional pain meds. Have a Greek yogurt snack before bed. Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and aids in muscle repair while you sleep. It's also a great source of probiotics, which support gut health, another factor that affects overall well-being and vitality. The key to boosting your muscle health and strength is consistency. Making these simple swaps or additions to your meals can help you maintain muscle mass, improve energy levels, and support healthy aging without drastic changes to your lifestyle. Remember, it's not about overhauling your diet. It's about gradually introducing powerful, nutrient-dense foods that keep you feeling strong and vibrant. So why not start today with one small change and build on it from there? Rebuilding muscle after 60 isn't just a goal. It's an essential part of maintaining your independence, staying active, and enjoying the life you've worked so hard for. While it may seem like a challenge, the good news is that with the right approach, you can significantly improve your strength and vitality. Start small. You don't need to make drastic changes overnight. Choose one food to incorporate into your meals. Maybe it's fatty fish like salmon, a handful of leafy greens, or a scoop of Greek yogurt. These superfoods are packed with the nutrients that help rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and boost overall energy. And remember, it's not just about food. Movement matters too. A daily walk, some light stretching, or gentle strength exercises can make all the difference in how your muscles respond. It's the combination of nutrition and movement that will give you the results you're looking for, without the need for extreme changes or workouts. The journey to stronger muscles, better mobility, and greater independence doesn't have to be complicated. One small change, one superfood at a time. As you build up your strength, you'll notice the positive effects on your body and your quality of life. Finally, share this video with someone you care about, a loved one, a friend, or anyone who could benefit from these simple yet powerful tips. Together, we can take control of our health and stay strong and active for years to come. You've got this, and the best part is it's never too late to start.